for us.
Yes, sir. You sound like the other company were very restricted. And if people remember anything about it, you know,
So far as action included, no one has contacted us. And they say my mato, they say what mato vale, leo police ya secure. So I'm evidence ya mo fai long karaka na fai chuang tayo na yung palmi o ako fast food karaka ako arrest ya ko suwe ya karaka ya chuang ya wako fast food leo wako lako ofu mo me ofo civilian clothing is wako si wako ready for action.
Thank you, Masa.